Hello, all. This is a session about artificial intelligence. Whenever I start a session about I always present with this particular diagram. With this figure, you can easily relate artificial intelligence with its subdomains. So basically, AI can be defined as simulation of human brain or mimic of human brain, I'd say. So, what comes to your mind when I say artificial intelligence? A robotic, social web, IBM Watson, gaming, smartphone, cars, etc. Yes, everything what you see here is artificial intelligence in its own different categories. So, what are all the applications of AI in our daily life? Yeah, we are using smartphones. Yes, if we are using a smartphone, yes, you are using artificial intelligence in your daily life. You are using Google Assistant, you're talking to Alexa, Siri, you're sensing some weather report with you, playing online games. What else? Everything is AI. You're using social web? Yes, AI is in there also. You have purchased a few items with the e-commerce sites such as Flipkart or Amazon. Have you seen the product recommendations over there? Yes, it is nothing but your artificial intelligence. In Facebook, they recommend friends for you, right? So these things are nothing but your artificial intelligence. Even YouTube and Netflix reads your likings and recommends based on your own taste. So these are all few web based and applications in your day to day life of AI. Auto driving cars, Tesla and Uber are doing some research on the auto driving cars. Even in banking, you are using AI, the fraud detection, and the credit card approval recommendations, security, digital banking, everything includes AI. I must mention the online ads here. Yes, what we see when we browse internet, right? We come across so many ads. Remember, these are customized for you. They are tracking you. They are tracking your search history, right? And they are using the statistics, they read your data, they analyze your data, and they customize every ad for your own liking. Here is the history of AI. It started few decades ago. In 1956, John McCarthy, he is the father of AI. He coined the words artificial intelligence first. The AI product in 1969, the very first general purpose robot named Shaky was developed by Stanford University. And in 1997, here comes the supercomputer which was developed by IBM Watson. They named it as Deep Blue. You know, this defeated the world chess champion then. And the remarkable next thing is in 2002, there comes the first commercially successful robotic vacuum cleaner. And followed by there are so much of smart recognition, speech recognition, face recognition, our dancing robots, domestic purpose robots, and everything. Yes, these things are buzzing nowadays, and really lot more to come in your artificial era. The stages of AI systems, there are three broad categories of it. The artificial narrow intelligence, which perform only a single task with a smartness. For example, the speech recognition, Alexa. Alexa is the best example for that. Artificial general intelligence, it is compared to as intelligent as the human brain. It can learn and improve by itself. For example, AlphaGo, the gaming program which is brought by Google right now. and artificial superintelligence. Uh, though we have so much of supercomputers, we cannot be considering it as superintelligence that is more powerful than a human's intelligence. What can be the types of AI? The first and interesting one is the reactive machine AI. We know about the IBM Watson, which was defeating a world chess champion in 1997. That Deep Blue is a perfect example for this reactive machine AI. This works based on the present data, taking into account only the current situation, and it cannot form inferences from the data for the future. And limited memory AI. The best examples for this is the self-driving cars. The very key word of this artificial intelligence is the AI system can be very effective and high in performance, we would say, if the memory occupied or the memory used by that is very, very less. Yes, you heard it right. The limited memory AI, right? It can help in making improved decisions by studying the past data. So the performance can be much improved. And the AI has a short-lived or a temporary memory only. Theory of mind AI. Here comes the next type. It is speculated to play a major role in human psychology. If it comes into existence, the human beliefs, the human thought process can be better comprehended. The self aware AI. This type of AI does not exist actually, but these are the self aware AI. These machines, when it starts recognizing its own things, that is, human beings have the consciousness and they know what they are doing and they have some self awareness over them, but the machines do not have. Imagine if a machine can realize its own feelings, own consciousness, and if it is self aware of its own. We cannot even imagine the things will fall out eventually. Even Elon Musk is saying it is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization. AI has a wide range of subdomains: expert systems, neural networks, robotics, the fuzzy logic, and natural language processing, machine learning. There are lot more to come under AI. Before starting with the subdomains, what is an intelligent agent? Before that, what is an agent? An agent is anything that can be perceiving its environment, that is, in taking input, reading its environment through its sensors or cameras, like a human is receiving the input through eyes and our skin, right? We are taking the input, and here we are processing something. An input, a process, an output is a perfect system, right? So input is taken via sensor, and agent is processing something with that perceived sensorial data, and the output can be given to the environment by the help of actuators.